guys, so today I'm going to answer a few questions about the Sweet Kawaii Designs monthly overviews fitting in a Happy Planner Classic. So I had questions myself. The measurements that I find online are really close and it makes me think I can make it work. So I'm just gonna record this plan with me on a previous month that they had not decorated. The monthly kit was graciously provided by our friends at Sweet Kawaii Design, and so I guess, you know, watch me measure, watch me plan. So you can see I had to modify the headers heavily, and it wouldn't work with the dates because the Sweet Kawaii comes with the white banner underneath, so that'll fit. I mean, you can make the boxes work if you need to. I mean, if it's a free kit, take it, have fun, modify it. But, you know, I wish they made them in Happy Planner size. It would make me super duper happy. But now we know. I will take a shot. I'll measure all the boxes that I was provided and all the boxes on my monthly view, and I will post it as a thumbnail. Thanks for watching.